Hi everyone, and today we are going to learn how to create a maze game. Mazes are something which excite all of us at all our ages, whether it is a simple or colorful maze or a complex one, we love it as a game. So today, let's learn the same. So let's get started how we can create a maze game. With our previous code, we already know how we can create a canvas or the output screen. So I have kept it in a shape of a rectangle that is 400, 300. We have already used mouse drag function so that I can draw anything on my canvas. And with the help of key pressed function, we know that if I am going to press any of the key, then that key will help me out to erase anything. Now similarly, or using the same concept, we are going to create the maze game. Now for that, what we are going to do, first we have to create a variable. Now why variable? Because variable stores data in form of numbers or words, and we can declare the variable at the beginning of the code, which is before the function setup. So the keyword that we use for that purpose is var, which is a short form of variable, and then a relevant name because of which we are using the variable. So I am using this variable for the purpose of so that I can have my image. Now, what else after that we can do? This variable I need to use in my program. Thereby, I need to have a maze image so that I can utilize it for my program. How I can get that? This is the maze image that I have already downloaded from internet, and the same image I am going to load in my web editor. Rather than taking the image from my computer and writing the entire path name, I am downloading the image from the browser and any kind of maze that you like, and I am going to upload it into my web editor. How I can do that? I will click on this arrow, click on the plus sign of sketch files and hit the upload file option. Now it gives me two options. Either I can drop the file here by dragging the file, or I can click on the file browser, go to my downloads, this is the maze image, and I can click on open. It will take few seconds for the image to get uploaded. As soon as it will be uploaded, you can cross this box and you can see the image here. Keep the image name simple because we are going to use this name in our code. Now let's understand that what different kind of instructions we are going to use for the same. Because I have to use my image loading for one single time, therefore I am going to write one instruction inside the function setup, which is my img. So here I am using img variable equals because I am assigning a value to it, and there is an already defined function in p5.js library which allows me to load the image. So I am writing load image, and inside the load image function I always write the path name or the file name, because for ease of use I have made the image available in my sketch file only. So in the apostrophes I am going to write the name of the image directly rather than going with the file name. So it becomes easier and there are less chances of error, because once you are taking the path, sometimes if you have not copied the path correctly, it might create a problem. So with this instruction, my image is now loaded in my program. Now I want to see this image in my output screen. So how I can go about it? I will go inside the function draw and I am going to use this image. Now how I am going to use this image in my output screen? I will use again an already defined instruction in p5.js named as image, and here I am going to write 5 parameters or arguments. The first is the name of the image or the variable which is holding the image, which is img here. So first I will write img followed by x and y position or the starting point of the image. So of course, since my canvas start with the coordinate value 0, 0, therefore I am going to make the x and y position of the starting point of the image as 0, 0. Then I have to tell the width and height of my image. So I want to keep it same as my canvas size. So whatever is your canvas size, you are going to write the same. And that's what we want to do. Let's see the output, how it will look. So I am going to hit this button, and with this you can very clearly see I can have a maze over here. Because I have created mouse drag function, so I can solve this maze by using my pencil tool, which is the mouse drag function. And with that, I can create the simplest of maze here with the shortest path which can take me to the output, and that's it. So you can see by just learning some instructions and by just using those instructions, I can make a very simple maze game. Now the good part is that you can increase the size of this area to make it even look more bigger by increasing the size of the canvas and thereby increasing the size of the image. And you can even use more complex images of the maze which is available online. And that's how you can create a wonderful game. I hope you enjoyed the video. Kindly like, subscribe and share if you actually liked it, and hit the like button. Thank you for watching.